This is our fridge robot Buddha.
Hello.
He's just a fridge.
I'm just a fridge. We need milk.
What else do we need?
Eggs.
Sriracha.
Sriracha.
He's a budget robot.
I'm gonna find a place to hang that in my room next time I have a girl over.
I can, if you don't, can you please stop reaching inside of me?
It's so awesome.
I like how I can look at, like if you close the fridge and not let all this cold air out, I can just stare at your television and your couch, so I can see you guys both on the couch and shit.
Yeah, you have a good angle. Hello, YouTubes.
We could just always have this going. I can make you a fridge robot on our fridge. Ours would have a lot shittier view.
You don't really get the full awesome feeling from the video I'm recording.
Damn, that's a strong magnet.
Yeah, isn't it?
This is all the view you get.
Yeah.
There's the door to the garage.
Sweet.